every customer. We are testing the AC/DC hybrid solar conditioner in our showroom. Today is good sunshine outside. Now we're testing the AC and DC. Now it work with AC power. The room temperature is 20 degrees, and in that outlet temperature is 99.4 degrees. 9.4. The unit is working with cooling mode. Now the power consumption is 416. You can see the setting temperature is 16 degrees, and we have the lights show the power consumption, power display for AC power and DC power. Means the AC power consumption and the DC power consumption percent. Full rate it means use the AC power only. If it becomes green, it will be use the DC power only. If half, it will be work with the solar and AC power. Now we switch on the solar panel power. Then you can see the green light is on. It means some power consumption is from solar, some power is from solar. The power consumption is reducing. You can see from before is 416, now it's reducing. Means we use half solar and half electricity. The units work well, very well. And we can test the voltage of the units. We have two voltage power input. One L1, L2 is AC power, 220 volts AC. You can see 220 volts. And this 123 cable is for indoor units. And PV plus and PV minus is for the solar panel, solar power. Let's check the solar voltage, the DC power meter. Now this 120, 110, 130. The units work very well. Now the solar alerts work with solar. Also it can work with full solar. Now the power consumption is reducing to the 350 watts. 320. So, yes. The unit is only 10% from the electricity, 90% if from the solar power.